Hey all, recording live from Ashburn, Virginia. Kind of turned out to be a bust for where we are. They were forecasting somewhere between 6 to 10 inches, and we really got, as you can see, maybe 3 inches, and the two of those are icy, slushy, sleety mix, and just lots and lots of fun to shovel. So you have to scrape down to get to the bare driveway, which is on a slope and which faces north. So if we don't clear it off, it's going to freeze solid with the coming colder temps. So just checking in and signing off from Ashburn. Have a great day.